Hello everyone. Today I am going to show how to make a jhoti or an alpana. It's done using rice paste with a piece of cloth or a cotton dipped in it. We use our bare fingers to create patterns, making beautiful designs. It's done on the floors as well as on walls. In our state Odisha, we do these jhotis during Manabasa Gurubar Puja. It's a festival of Goddess Mahalakshmi done for the family's well-being, growth and prosperity. It's believed that the goddess herself comes to every household to remove pain and sorrow and showers wealth and happiness. These jhotis are made to welcome her. It's held on every Thursday in the month of Margasira, that is November and December. There is a story behind it which I will be sharing in my next jhoti video. For now, let's enjoy making this design. Happy jhoti making to all my viewers. You all enjoyed making jhoti with me. Please watch my next video to know the story behind this festival. Also, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to never miss some interesting artworks. Always trust your reflexes and keep creating. Bye bye.